Hello and welcome back to the CodeChef platform. Strings are one of the most versatile parts of C++, and mastering how to manipulate them can make your programs truly powerful. In today's video, we are diving into some smart ways to handle and modify strings, from joining them together to changing their case and even erasing the parts you don't need. Get ready to polish your C++ coding skills with some hands-on string manipulation techniques. Let's get started.
The append method. The append method is used to add one string to the end of another. It's an alternative to using the plus operator for concatenation. Basically, the append method is used to join two strings together. Its syntax is string1 dot append and then in brackets string 2 and semicolon. So here string 1 will be added to string 2. We use this method particularly when we want to concatenate or join multiple strings together. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see an example of how to use the append method in C++. The program objective is adding a file extension to a file name, and the expected output is file name : document.txt. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon then int main. Now inside the main function, string file name is equal to in double inverted commas document and semicolon. So here the value of the string file name is document. Now let us perform concatenation using the append method. File name dot append and then inside append I have inserted a string in double inverted commas dot txt. So whatever is the existing value of file name, that is document, will be added to .txt. So the output will be document.txt and this is now the new value of variable file name. Cout then in double inverted commas file name : then the value of variable file name will be printed, which is now document.txt. Endl and semicolon, then return 0 semicolon and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. File name : document.txt. Now let's learn about using transform method with toupper in C++. In C++, transform method is used with : toupper to convert all characters in a string to uppercase. To use this feature, the IO stream or string and algorithm headers must be included. Its syntax is transform, then inside bracket text.begin method, text.end method, text.begin method, then toupper, bracket close and semicolon. So here you can see the transform function takes mainly 4 parameters. The first one, text.begin, it is showing the beginning of the string to be transformed. Then text.end shows the end of the range. Text.begin is again the destination where transformed elements are stored. And then toupper, this is the operation to perform, which means the operation is basically to transform the string into uppercase. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform and see how to use transform method with toupper in C++. The program objective is making a headline text all uppercase, and the expected output is uppercase headline : breaking news : new discovery. Here you can see breaking news : new discovery. This is written in uppercase letters. Coming to the code, hash include iostream, then hash include algorithm. So we have discussed we have to use the algorithm header file to use the transform method in C++. Then using namespace std semicolon int main, inside the main function, string headline is equal to in double inverted commas breaking news : new discovery, then semicolon. Now let us use the transform method to change the case of this text to uppercase. Transform, now inside bracket, headline, which is the name of the string, headline dot begin. So it will start converting the letters into uppercase from the beginning, comma, headline dot end. It will perform the transformation till the end of the string, then comma, headline dot begin. So the updated string, which will be in uppercase, will be stored at the beginning of the variable headline, and then comma, colon, colon, to upper. So this is the operation that what to perform. We have to basically transform the string into uppercase, bracket close and semicolon. Then cout in double inverted commas, uppercase, headline, colon, then the value of this variable headline, which is not the initial value but it is now the updated value, that is the transformed string in uppercase letters. Then endl and semicolon, return 0 and the bracket close here. Now let us run the submit button to see the output. Uppercase headline, colon, breaking news, colon, new discovery. So this is how we use the transform method to change the case of the text into uppercase. Using transform method with tolower in C++. In C++, transform method is used with colon, colon, tolower to convert all characters in a string to lowercase. To use this feature, the IO stream or string and algorithm headers must be included. Its syntax is transform, then inside braces, text.begin, comma, text.end method, comma, text.begin method, comma, colon, colon, tolower, then bracket close and semicolon. So here also the transform function takes 4 parameters: the beginning and end of the range, the destination where the transformed elements are stored, and the operation to apply, which is basically to convert the case of the string into lowercase letters. So this concept is exactly similar to the previous concept that we have discussed. The only difference is that in the previous concept we are using to upper operation to change the case of the string from lowercase to uppercase, while here we are using the transform method with tolower to change the case of the string from uppercase to lowercase. Now let us discuss the erase method in C++. The erase method is used to remove characters from a string, either a single character, a range, or the entire content. So basically the erase method is used to delete elements from a string. Its syntax is string name dot erase and then inside the erase method position, comma, length and bracket close semicolon. So here position is the index number from where the deletion starts, and length is basically the number of characters to be deleted. Well, there is one more way to use the erase method. As you can see here, syntax string name dot erase brackets and semicolon. So this command is used to erase the entire string because we have not provided any position or length till which we want to delete the elements. So it will delete the entire string. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see an example of how to use the erase method in C++. The program objective is removing sensitive information from a string, and the expected output is processed address colon Main Street comma New York. Coming to the code, hash include IO stream, then using namespace std semicolon, int main bracket open, then string address is equal to in double inverted commas 123 Main Street comma New York and then semicolon. So here the variable address is of type string, so it has stored the string 123 Main Street comma New York. Now here we are performing the erase operation using the erase method with the string address. So address dot erase, then in bracket 0,4 bracket close and semicolon. It means the operation of erasing the elements will start from index 0. At index 0 we can see 1 written. and then here we have written 0,4. That means from 0 index we will delete 4 elements. So at 0 index we have 1, the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3 and space. These 4 elements will be deleted from the string, and then the remaining string, that is Main Street, New York, this will be stored back to the variable address. Cout in double inverted commas processed address colon, then the updated value of address will be printed endl and semicolon, return 0 and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Processed address colon Main Street, New York.
And that's a wrap on string manipulation in C++. We explored how to append strings, transform text between uppercase and lowercase, and erase unwanted characters with ease. These methods might seem simple, but together they give you powerful control over your data. So don't forget to practice using these methods on the CodeChef platform. Thank you so much for watching.